Tesla Giga Berlin, according to news reports, has a new head, and his name is Andre Thierig, and I'm going to tell you who he is, what was his relationship to Tesla Giga Berlin, and also, as the Brandenburg Minister of Economics emphasizes, the project is in calm waters, and he is looking forward to the start in 2021. Let's take a look who is Andre Thierig and what calm waters is. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Tagesspiegel from Germany has the details, and he says the new Tesla Giga Berlin boss, Andre Thierig, was previously responsible for the paint shop. Economics Minister Steinbach also warned against one-sided criticism of the project. Tagesspiegel goes on saying Tesla is pushing ahead with the construction of the new Gigafactory in Grünheide, known as Giga Berlin, so that the first electric cars can roll off the assembly line at the Giga Berlin in mid-2021. After the previous site manager, Evan Horetzky, was fired, the project has a new person in charge, Andre Thierig, signed the head of Gigafactory at the beginning of November, previously responsible for the paint shop unit, and he also signed a contract with the authorities according to Tagesspiegel information. An application for further deforestation from October 12th already bears his signature. The group does not comment on personal details of Andre Thierig, neither why exactly Evan Horetzky, who seemed to be doing a great job, was fired from Tesla Giga Berlin's head position. The paint shop for which Thierig was responsible before, in which, according to CEO Elon Musk, a new technology is to be used, is considered a key project for the Gigafactory Berlin. Since the systems take longer to start up here, Tesla has long wanted to install the machines at the paint shop. There is evidence, Tagesspiegel reports, that these are stored nearby, but as reported, Tesla cannot expect the early approval requested for this before the end of November. The ex-site manager had referred to the endangered schedule with the authorities in September. The construction of these parts of the plant is on the critical path of both the construction schedule and the overall schedule, Evan Horetzky apparently has said. Tagesspiegel reports. Nobody repeats that. The plans have been readjusted. Tesla itself and Minister of Economics Jörg Steinbach from SPD party expect the start in 2021. But 2021 has 12 months. The project is in calm waters, emphasized Steinbach on Monday in the Economic Committee of the State Parliament. Calm waters means good waters, That means things are going ahead, moving forward, and apparently nothing is threatening Tesla Giga Berlin's advance. Now, Tagesspiegel also reports that in view of the growing criticism due to problems accompanying the settlement, meaning Giga Berlin, Steinbach warned of imbalances. The volume of the criticism is disproportionate to the positive effects for the country, such as the domino effect for further settlements, with which the negative economic consequences of the current virus crisis can currently be mitigated. He was talking to other companies that want to come to Brandenburg, said the minister. It won't be made any easier for me if the criticism is discussed with such intensely and the positive falls down. And that is the end of the story, actually. We're seeing good advance at Giga Berlin, and after Evan Horetzky was kicked out, Tesla Gigafactory has a new site manager who was, like I said, previously responsible for the paint shop. And keep in mind, friends, that paint shop is very important for Tesla Giga Berlin, because earlier Elon Musk had announced on an occasion on two that Giga Berlin will have the most advanced paint shop in the world compared to other Tesla Gigafactories in the world. And since it's going to be in Giga Berlin first, we're going to keep an eye to see what type of paint shop is there, and to see if Tesla is going to bring something like that, which Tesla said it will, to Gigafactory Texas, which actually has now been going forward with huge force, and we saw that recently. Just last week we learned that Tesla made a decision to make the work at Gigafactory Texas 3 shifts, and to make things online. So the schedule here also is on calm waters, and we're looking forward to see how things will go. I'm wondering if both Tesla Giga Texas with its 3 shifts starting immediately and effective immediately, and Giga Berlin with its 1 shift but way ahead, may have their first vehicles rolled off the assembly lines at about the same time. Maybe not the same day, but same week, or even same month, or same quarter. So let's see what things are going. Do you think, friends, things are in calm waters in Tesla Giga Berlin? Let me know what your thoughts are, please. And in the meantime, let's see some images and videos from our friends who have been providing information from Gigafactory to see how things are going there in the past several days. Have a wonderful rest of the day. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. God bless you, everyone. See you soon.